Hey everybody, I wanted to take a second and go over how you complete your assignments in this online class. It's really important to make sure that you do these right and do them well so that you can have lots of success leading up to our first test. So I want to start with launching your web browser. Google Chrome is the best browser to use with Blackboard. If you are a Mac user, do not use Safari. You have to download another browser. Safari will not allow you to see any embedded files that I include, and so it'll make your life very frustrating. So go to GadsdenStateBlackboard.com and you'll see your courses. You click on Our Course, and it will bring you to the welcome. We're going to start with Unit 1, and we are going to use, as an example, Chapter 16. Now, you will see that the Chapter 16 lesson has instructions here and instructions on the first slide. The very first word that's highlighted is download. You can see various parts of the PowerPoint just by clicking, but you will not be able to click on hyperlinks, and you will not be able to always see those prompts in the right order. So you're going to click this drop-down menu, and you are going to click download. You'll download the PowerPoint, and if you're using Google Chrome, it will put it at the bottom right here. And so you're going to open that, and it will launch your PowerPoint. Now, you will see here, the best way to do this, it says, is in slideshow view. So you click on slideshow and click from current slide. And then all you do is use the arrows or enter to click through the PowerPoint. Now, if you look, we're going to go to this slide. Okay, so we've come across this slide. It says building the rails, and there's a smiley face, which means it's a video link. When I hover over it, you see that it's going to take me there. If I click this, it would take me to that video. You watch the video, and then on your Microsoft Word paper, on your paper in Microsoft Word, you will launch Word here. You will write building the rails, and then you will type your response to the video, just a few sentences explaining what you thought about it and what you thought was important. Then, if I return back to the PowerPoint, always making sure that I'm looking in slideshow view, I read this, railroads are vital, the railroad boom, high cost calls railroad giants, and then click here and you see that a red prompt came up. Red means that you have to write it. So we are going to copy and paste this into Microsoft Word. You're going to want to make it red or your answers red, one or the other. And then I want you to type your answer here. What do you think is the most significant? Think about the Transcontinental Railroad, why, and you type out your answer here. Then at the end, you will submit this document to the Chapter 16 lesson. So when you've done this for all the prompts, you will go back to Blackboard and click this lesson link. It tells you when it's due, it tells you how many points are possible, and right here it says browse my computer. You will browse your computer and attach the file where you completed the assignment that is entitled Chapter 16, Rebuilding a Nation. Hope this helps. Good luck.